You have seen everything before. Promises to earn money online for free. However, they are never free. There is usually a catch someplace or an upfront commitment required. It also makes logic. According to the US Census Bureau, the US is on a course to break its previous year's record for the number of new business applications by nearly half. More and more individuals are interested in learning how to make money online for free. They want to live their monotonous, grueling, or otherwise unsatisfactory occupations and start their own businesses from the comfort of their own homes. And they want to achieve it without depleting their limited resources. Today, we will teach you how to accomplish precisely that. We will look at 7 of the finest methods to make money online in 2022 with no catch and no money required from you to get started. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. How can a teenager generate money online without paying anything? To begin, you can work as a virtual assistant. If you have a talent for organization and planning, working as a virtual assistant is a terrific way to supplement your income online. A virtual assistant job entails a variety of tasks, such as administering social media accounts, responding to emails, and answering phone calls on behalf of a company. With the rise in the number of solopreneurs, virtual assistants are seeing a surge in demand for their services. Apply for employment on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs to get started. According to Indeed.com, the average hourly wage for a virtual assistant is $19.36. Some virtual assistants have also found success by developing and promoting their own personal brands to entrepreneurs and startups. You can do the same by creating a Facebook business page and filling it with information that promotes your service. Creating one is free and you may share it anywhere on the internet. Second, conduct online research. Do you know how to use Google to find certain information? If this is the case, there are numerous options for you to earn money online for free. Many businesses in many industries use online researchers to identify the most relevant and trustworthy sources of information for them. They then share that information with their clients in order to assist them in making sound business decisions. You can apply to work on their projects if you have a computer and internet access. Here are a few companies that frequently want internet researchers. Wonder employs virtual researchers to find quality solutions to its clients' questions. Gathering information, discussing market trends, and determining competitive landscapes are some of the tasks that may be assigned to you. 10EQS engages industry experts who can conduct research and provide answers to queries about their respective businesses. If you have deep expertise in a particular area, you may apply to join 10EQS team of experts and work on actual research projects. You can also apply for internet research positions on Upwork and Indeed. Transcribing audio and video files is the third option. Though artificial intelligence is becoming more popular as a technique to aid with speech-to-text transcription, it is far from flawless. As a result, many businesses rely on transcriptionists to convert audio from films and spoken files into precise texts. You can secure a part-time position with a company like Rev or work freelance on certain projects with multiple firms. Most organizations allow you to choose the jobs you want to work on and create your own timetable. The best part is that you don't have to spend any money up front. Just use the speakers that come included with your computer to transcribe. You will need to improve your typing skills if you want to be a successful transcriber. Your work must be error-free and simple for clients to understand. Begin with transcribing short audio files to prepare for employment applications with transcription companies. Fourth, you can create a Patreon account. Patreon is a membership site that allows artists and creators to be compensated. Fans can subscribe to projects using this platform by paying a subscription fee. If you routinely create videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, you may use Patreon to allow your most devoted followers to support your work through a monthly membership. To be successful on Patreon, you must provide your followers with something interesting in order to gain their support. This might include integrating them into your creative process or providing exclusive content developed just for them. Signing up for Patreon is entirely free. Once you begin earning, the corporation only receives a little percentage of your earnings. Fifth, you can provide feedback on websites and applications. Another free approach to making money online is to evaluate websites. Some businesses pay customers and give them free things in exchange for leaving reviews on their websites. Other companies employ people to audit their website's quality and performance. When analyzing a website, you will normally look at its functionality and how quickly it loads. The amount you earn will be determined by the market you work in and the testing methods you employ. In most cases, if you're willing to undertake one-on-one testing sessions with clients via video conference, you will earn more. Here are some firms you may work for. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing, and Testbirds for digital product, shop, and mobile app testing. There is no sign-up charge for any of these organizations, so you can start rating websites and collecting money right away. Do you believe you have the marketing skills to properly advertise things? Join an affiliate program and earn money by advertising products, services, or brands across many platforms. If you are accepted, you will be given an affiliate link to share with others. When someone purchases a product or service after clicking your link, you will be paid a commission as well as credit for the recommendation. The commission payout is determined by the affiliate program and the product being promoted. Basic things in the Amazon marketplace will not pay much, but marketing digital services such as web hosting can make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Affiliate marketing, contrary to popular belief, does not rely on blog promotions to earn cash for a marketer. You may promote businesses and make money by using social media accounts such as Instagram and Facebook. Finally, but certainly not at the least, you can start a YouTube channel. Have you ever considered becoming a YouTuber? You can now record unboxing films, product tutorials, and funny acts with nothing more than your smartphone. It also doesn't cost anything to create a YouTube channel. You can start a new channel with your name or custom name by checking into YouTube with your Google account. As the owner of a YouTube channel, you will have various ways to earn money. When you achieve 1,000 members, you can begin earning money by placing advertising on your channel. To monetize your YouTube channel, you can also collaborate with sponsors on sponsored content, sell items, or become an affiliate. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to concentrate on a single topic. You may provide beauty lessons, evaluate tech products, or provide a daily roundup of Bitcoin prices, whatever you believe would increase views. This year, there are more opportunities to earn money online without investing than ever before. You could work as an affiliate, start a YouTube channel, provide social media consulting, or sell your photos online. It only takes a little effort and time to see the fruits of your labor. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.